Okay.
Hey Josh, thank you so much, buddy, for helping me with this. We've had a lot of interest since I attended Pantheon this month, and I think it's just going to be great to be able to show how easy it is for customers to set up the data to come to Contractor Halo automatically, so that once it's set up automatically to run, they don't have to worry about anything. So, what we're going to go through today, it doesn't matter if a customer has Marketing Pro or not. We're going to show how easy it is to add a job type, add a customer ID, add a customer phone number, add a customer email, add a sold by. So that way we know when it's a job versus service, add member status, how we're going to set up a user at operations at haloprograms.com. And then we're going to schedule a report to run every 7 days. So with that being said, I'm going to stop sharing and it's your turn, Josh.
Perfect. All right. So share my screen here. The first thing you're going to want to do is add Contractor Halo as an admin. As you can see, I already have them here, but all you got to do is click the add button. I just did employee name, contract Halo, um, display user, marketing manager. And just make sure you get this in here as operations at haloprograms.com and username contractor Halo. And then we did an email invite for them to set up their own password. And then once you have them all set up here in the system as a display user, you can automate reports. So next we'll come over here to the reports tab, all reports.
Yeah, that's
And then we're
perfect,
going to,
Josh. You're doing great. Thank you so much for your help.
no worries. So then we're going to look for the thank you report.
And there's just a few extra fields that we need to be able to do the contractor Halo marketing correctly.
Yep.
So
So we're going to
you're gonna
go
edit.
ahead and
You're gonna edit
edit,
that. Yeah.
and we're going to add the job type so they know what kind of service was provided.
Yeah.
Uh,
We got to go down and add customer ID. Customer ID. Okay, that's our
customer ID,
customer phone number.
customer phone, customer email,
Yeah. And then we need sold by. Yep. Good.
sold
That's fine.
by,
Yeah. And then we
then,
need if they're a maintenance agreement customer or not, because if you're not a maintenance agreement customer, we want to know that so we can
yep.
encourage them to sign up for one.
So the member status right here.
Perfect.
Then you just click apply and you want to make sure you save these changes. So from here, you can go back and run the report. Um, I know they like to get a couple years of info. So
Yeah, we like
you'll
to go
want to do
back
that.
5 to 7 years for historical data. But what I want to show today is just how easy it is to set up the report to run every 7 days automatically. So we want
Yep.
to schedule that report to go to us on Sundays. So maybe you can schedule it for September 28th.
Okay. So yeah, after you got all your changes saved, you just click these three little dots right here and schedule. Schedule a simple report, date range. You can do trailing 7 days. Uh, by the job completion date, business unit all. The email will be
Operations
operation.
with an S at Halo Programs.
This is just the what the email title is going to come over
Oh, well,
as.
just call it Contractor Halo. Sorry, Josh.
And then we want to attach it as a spreadsheet.
Yes, sir.
And then you click next. And then we're going to just pick Contractor Halo from your drop down. Then you will click next. And we will every 7 days at whatever time
Five in
they
the
want,
morning or something. Yeah. Early. Yeah.
and then schedule. And it's that simple.
That's awesome, Josh. And then when you send us historical data, you just ran
Mhm.
that same report
Yep, same report, just change the dates back to the time frames you requested.
and then you just saved it like onto your computer and then you emailed that to CS at Halo Programs.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, well, let me take over sharing real quick.
Perfect.
Okay. So again, what we just went through here, Josh was so kind to help me, is we set up a user as Contractor Halo at operations at haloprograms.com. Then we added these fields to the standard thank you report: job type, customer ID, customer phone, email, sold by, and member status. And then we scheduled it to send it to us early in the morning before operations. We don't want to mess with anything. And it's sending it to us the last 7 days. And then once you've got that report customized, you can run it for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years at a time. Sometimes you can run it for multiple years at a time. It just depends on how much data you have. If you've got 5, 7 years worth of data and it's still under 5 MB, 10 MB, that's fine. If it's much over the 5 or 10 MB, you probably need to split it up into years. But you want to email the historical data to CS at Halo Programs. That tells us that that's the data we need to clean up, dedupe, run it through address standardization, check the emails before we upload it in Contractor Halo and start the marketing. So this was so awesome. Thank you so much, Josh, for your help. Anything you want to say?
No, just that we've been very pleased and just getting the data over to Contractor Halo as well has helped us clean up our database. As they email out the customers, we got just cleaned up, we moved, stuff like that. So that's been nice too, getting that historical data cleaned up.
Awesome. This is perfect. Thank you so much, Josh. Just wave as I stop the recording. Here we go.